welcome to my channel. Today we are going to try these chips right here. Why? Because it's a review on an amazing chip. So anyway, this is Boulder Canyon olive oil, sea salt, and cracked pepper, and it's kettle cooked. It's potatoes, olive oil, rice flour, cane sugar, sea salt, spices, dried garlic, dried onion, safflower oil, yeast extract, and spice extract. Anyway, I've had these before. So many times I have lost count on how many bags I have bought. Okay, so let me be honest. The smell is not all that great. Doesn't have much of a smell, and the smell, to be honest, is really not that great. And then you smell the spices. That other smell, I don't know what it is, but the taste. First of all, let's look at the chip. Hear the crunch. I'm addicted to these chips. If these are not the best chips I've ever had in my life, they're up there. They're spicy, but not too spicy. They're zesty. They're a little bit sweet, but not real like sweet, like, oh, it tastes like sugar and chips. No. You can definitely taste the pepper. You can definitely taste the spices. But what spices they are, I don't know. I know this is going to sound crazy, but my channel is all about being honest with you. You get quite a bit in the bag, too. I mean, it's almost filled to the top. But anyway, I give these chips, I can't give them a 10 because what if I find something better? Then that would be a 10, you know? So, I give these chips a solid 9.8 out of 10. They are like my favorite chips. I can't think of any other chips that... There might have been... Actually, I had a brand of Zapp's flavor one that was really good. But I don't remember what it was. It was years ago. But I don't remember getting so excited like these. You can see the... I guess it's sugar. Okay. So, they're not too spicy. They're sweet, but not too sweet. Like, they're really balanced. And they're addictive, too. But yeah, these are amazing chips. And, okay, so, what I was going to say is, does it have an MSG in it? I don't even think it does. Yeast extract, maybe that.